askari wetu wakiwa pamoja na machifu waliweza kuvamia mtaa wa Kimbo, mahali kunaitwa Park Street area hapa Kimbo, na wakaweza kupata mimea ambayo inasukiwa kuwa ni bangi. Walipata 984 rolls of cannabis suspected. Pia walipata 8 sachets of the same brand which is cannabis. Pia walipata packaging materials, 2 weighing machines na 3 mobile phones.
To give a very, very strong warning to the consumers and to the sellers that we are on you, simply because they don't mind about future generations. They only mind about their earnings. You can be earning, yes, but remember the ruins you are causing. You are causing too much, you are causing a lot of harm, and more so destroying a generation to come. We are warning you, we are coming for you. This is a start, and come tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, you will see the outcome.